are here at Hearthside Meadows. And we have Malita and Ira's Maltipoos. They will be 6 weeks old tomorrow. And, okay, you got Pebbles over there playing with the ball. I just gave that to him. That's a new toy for them. Mr. Pebbles. He loves to play. Okay, and his sister is Sandy. Well, they're all three his sisters. Okay, so he's got the blue ribbon. Now, you can't really tell. Sandy is supposed to have purple. You can barely see it sticking out. Okay. Okay. I can't remember if it's Shelly or Wavy. But you got pink ribbon, and she is going to Jen. Pebbles is going to Michelle. And this little girl with the white ribbon, she's available. And this little one with the black ribbon. They're both available. So they're used to getting baths, they're used to getting brushed, they're used to getting groomed, and their toenails getting trimmed. And of course they're up to date on dewormer and shots. They'll get one tomorrow on their 6-week birthday. Okay, and they had one at 5 weeks for just straight parvo. We just want to make sure our puppies are protected. Oh goodness. Oh goodness. They're learning how to use the doggy door. So they want to go outside. And that makes your potty training easier. Oh goodness. And they are used to being played with. They're very social and very happy. Oh my goodness. Hi, Pebbles. How are you? Hi, sweetheart. Oh goodness. Oh my goodness. They're used to getting their pictures taken. Yes. Hi, sweetheart. Hi. Woof, 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 woof. Yeah. Oh, you're the cutie. Yes, you are. You mommy little cute. Brrr. Brrr. Hey, babies. Dada. You don't like... I just put new ribbons on them. Every time I give them baths, take pictures. I don't want them. They grow. But I don't put them on tight. But I just like to put fresh little fresh ribbons on them. Oh, goodness. Yep. We'll be starting the weaning process. They're already eating food. They started that a couple weeks ago, just getting into their mama's dish. Of course, we have her on puppy food. It's got a little more protein. It's good for mamas. We start them on it before they even have their puppies. Yep. Okay. What are you doing? Huh? What are you doing? Oh, Pebbles. Pebbles, he just, I'll tell you what, he's got his little tail going all the time, and he wants to be picked up. Yes, you are a sweetheart. Yes, you are. Oh, goodness. Go chase it. They love it. Oh, and we give everybody a couple of pig ears because they like to chew on these. I have people tell me, you know what, they don't like store-bought ones that come in a package. We buy these, they're in bulk. I'll tell you the company name, but I called them, see if I can get them direct. No, we get them at our MFA. It's a company down in Arkansas. Okay, what are you doing there, Pebbles, huh? Yep, what you doing? Alrighty, well, I guess we better say goodbye. Ruff, ruff. See you later. Yes.